Hi, welcome back to another episode of If You Build It with my girl Eamoni, aka Beer Bay.
And gang.
How are you?
I'm wonderful. How about yourself?
I'm good. Tell the people who you are and what it is that you do.
My name is Eamoni. I am the owner, co-founder of Urban Garden Brewing Company. I'm a beer brand and distribution company.
Okay, first black-owned woman beer brand in DC. Tell me about that experience and the journey of putting it together.
So I started in 2016 just home brewing, and after doing it for a little while, I really enjoyed the process. So I decided, I kind of want to make a beer brand. My original vision was to open up a brewery, to open up a tap room. So I was like, okay, cool. I'll just do what it takes. So my uncles got hip to what I was doing, and they built an entire beer cave. And one of my uncles built a beer cave in their backyard. So I was just busting out recipes, bottling.
What's a beer cave?
He literally built. So you know what a man cave is, and you build a shed and all that stuff. He literally built a man cave beer cave to where I would come every weekend. And I would brew. I would make brews. So I would have carboys of fermenting beer in his man cave. And then mostly was outside because the beer smell is I like the smell, not everybody does. But anyway, so I started with that, and then finally, once I got really good at it, I decided to start with 5 recipes, did a survey amongst friends and family. Then I started with, I divided it down to 3 recipes, and then those were the ones that everyone was like, yes. And then out of those 3, I was like, okay, what's going to be my flagship? And the beer that's out now, Camelite, ended up being that one beer that both experienced beer drinkers and non-beer drinkers both liked. So the experienced beer drinkers appreciated it. The non-beer drinkers were like, I don't drink beer. This tastes like tea. I love it. So that was how that started. And then fast forward to the pandemic, I realized that people like myself were priced out of the market. And even if I started a brewery, who was going to distribute my beer? So that's when I decided, you know what? No, I don't even want to open up a brewery. I want to start a beer brand, but I want to start a distribution company because I want to help other people like myself when they do open up their breweries to distribute their product into the market.
Okay.
So that's how all that happened.
Okay.